One last thing in object-oriented programming, let's discuss property. This is class movie. It has a title and a method showTitle. 7 pounds is a movie. ShowTitle gives us the title, and so does accessing the title attribute with the dot operator. We can also set it this way. But this can be a problem if it can be accessed and altered by anybody. Let's get right to the solution. This is class movie now. We have defined methods getTitle and setTitle to get and set the title, to which we've added a leading underscore to denote it private. We create a property object on the title attribute with the getTitle and setTitle methods. Now when the user tries to access or set it with the dot operator, it makes a call to the getTitle or setTitle methods instead. This avoids the need to update accessing and altering statements for each client. We can also do this with the property Decorator. This uses the Py syntax to make it happen and attach the setter and getter methods to the title attribute. So that's the property class for you.